Okay, now that we've got our documents interpreted and summarized, let's see how we might teach our students to use these summaries in service of their arguments. So no matter which subject it is, and no matter what kind of document it is, this step is the same. Whether it's an SAQ or a DBQ, the student will get a prompt for which this document should serve as a piece of evidence in an argument. And the place that many students lose points here is not because they don't understand the document. It's because they don't connect the content of the document back to the topic of the prompt. Or to put it another way, they don't clearly demonstrate how this document can be used to support their argument. Well, my solution for that is very simple. First, they need to write out the summary of their document, which they did in the last step, and then start the next sentence with "this shows" or "this demonstrates," after which they will use the language of their argument or the language of the prompt. Let me show you. So let's look at the A-Push document about the Republican platform, and let's just say that the prompt had something to do with evaluating the extent to which the Civil War was caused by political factors. Let's begin with the summary. So we begin by inserting the summary. Then, this shows that the Civil War was at least in part caused by political factors, since the Republican Abraham Lincoln's election was a catalyst for Southern secession. And that sentence ties it back to the prompt and makes it plain that this document can be used to support an argument. And I cannot emphasize enough how important it is for your students to make that connection in writing. It's often the difference between a point and